Gitchy, gitchy, ya, 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 ya. Come join us as we head to the tent for the night. Because during the week we had a lot of snow, and then it got mild, and we got a lot of rain, and then it started to freeze again. And we had to get up there before all the ice froze onto her.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Good day, everybody. We might be a little bit nuts, but we're going to try to get up there again today. We had a real shitty week there with snow.
Rain, freezing rain.
And now it's blowing a gale. Yeah, we had, what was it, 10, 15 centimeters of snow there Wednesday. And, no, Thursday. Then Friday it turned to +4 and it poured. And overnight it went back down to -18 and everything froze solid. So now it's blowing a gale. I don't know how it was gusts up to 80 or something like that. It was crazy. So it's supposed to die down now this evening. And we're heading down the highway there now, taking our time moseying up. And hopefully the rain and the wind and the snow didn't hurt the tent. Hopefully she's in the lawn there.
If it's collapsed, it's bonfire.
Yeah. Set her ablaze. I'm sorry.
Right by the forehead. Yeah, that's the tree I'm worried about.
That crooked one? Yeah, I think he's far enough away though. She's still standing, guys.
I need my shovel.
Needs the shovel. guys, we're here. She didn't collapse. We got all the snow off it, but all the ice was froze to the bottom. Listen to the floor. That's the ice underneath the tent. But anyway, that's here nor there. Chachi's got the fire going. Or started. Look out now, it won't be long, she'll be warming up.
That's cold.
I don't feel cold, but it's minus minus 15, 16, and very windy. You see the trees. Well, lucky enough we're in the lawn. And minus, get it 1 second. Minus 16, minus 17. But she got her going. Couldn't get the zipper open. Zipper froze solid. Ice everywhere. We got all the ice knocked off now. Cassie's done a great job. And so we get the fire going now and hopefully have something to eat in a little bit. And try to get a bit comfortable. It was late before we got there today. But what? Oh, she got those all done too. Fantastic. Can't wait to go out there. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Well, we're going to get straightened away now and we'll see you in a bit. How's everybody doing? It's a little chillier now. Got some Christmas lights up. We're cooking some of them sausages again. Ones with the no nitrates. This time we got a couple with bacon. So a lot later today getting up here. Well, everything's dark. So we got everything straightened away. There's the tent. And it's a cold one tonight, I guarantee you. The wind is blowing too. And all here's the trees scrooting. But a beautiful night. Looks like it's snowing a bit. Maybe that's from the wind blowing it off the trees. We got her straightened up a bit. Chachi got the fire blazing. And when we get something to eat now, it'll be good.
Might be hard to see there, but there's a rabbit at the back of our sleigh there.
Chewing on the sled. That's what it was too.
Yeah. There wasn't the ropes at all. I didn't know they like fiberglass.
What?
Didn't know they like fiberglass.
No.
He's huge.
Here's our bunny. That's the scratching we was there last time. I thought he was chewing on the rope. Nope. Chewing on the sled. I think he really gives it. Anyway. And he took a shit. I scared the shit out of it. Oh, well, we got supper cooked. Some more sausages and potatoes.
Almost had a rabbit.
I almost had a rabbit. Eating their
Slid.
Eating their sled. Oh, got me blood pressure pills again.
Starved to death.
Oh.
Bunny rabbits.
Okay. So today in our Rock Brewery we have large day. Mildly hazy and bitter. Ooh, light and ABV. What the fuck is that? Extremely refreshing and generously dry hopped to showcase some of America's prominent citrus hops. This APA is our salute to all 300,000 square kilometers of the beautiful big land. Live large. We'll give her a go. Oh yeah.
It is now close to 10. Yeah.
Whew, that's not too bad. It's large day. It's more of a craft beer. That one tastes like 100%. I must take a pill and have a feed. Hello everybody. Well, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh, Chachi's jingling away. We're all set up now for Christmas. A good nap. We had a great night. I don't know if it's blurry or not.
Seeing lots of bunnies.
Lots of rabbits on the go here for sure. We got the Christmas tree in the corner. All the Christmas lights up. And we had a good night, good feed. Lots of rabbits. Anything else?
The fire's going nice.
And the fire is perfect. I don't know what it is.
Not too hot, not too cold.
Minus 20 or so out. But not bad at all. We'll get ready to hit the bunk. And happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, yes. Cause
and it's 25.
25 in there. Perfect.
Nice and comfy.
Yeah. What's that? What's that noise? Something out by the skidoo. Who's that, Chachi?
Who the hell is this?
Hey, get away from there. Who the was that?
Come back, Santa! Come back!
Oh.
Go home for sake. You're drunk.
Good morning, everybody. We made it through the night. Another lovely night up here. Beautiful. Beautiful day. The sun is just starting to peek out through. We got everything packed up now. We're ready to head back down. It was a quick trip up because it rained a lot the week and then it turned cold. We were afraid the ice was going to beat it all up. But blue sky that way. Anyway, it was a quick trip and was heading out to the truck now. And yeah, we'll see you out there.
back to the truck. It was a great trip. Wasn't that? Was it?
Yes.
It was a great trip. And we're going to head back down now.
We had a visitor last.
Oh, we had a visitor, a nice bunny rabbit, as you will see if you watch it. And I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, and we'll see you in the new year. And don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
woo-hoo-hoo,
And share.
And share.